Let's work now with the access key and secret key. If you noticed, I removed them, so I have to add them somewhere else. First, let's create the access key and secret key. I already in my AWS account. I go to IAM. I go to users. I find my user Terraform tutorial. It has no permissions, so I will add administrator access. Select it. Okay, I need to move my screen a bit so that you can see the next button. I press next. Add permission. And if you notice, the administrator access was added. Let's create the access key, security credentials tab. Create access key. Select other. Just read this message and click on next. No description, create access key. That's the access key, and here is the secret key, and we need to paste it somewhere. So, go to your File Explorer and go to your home directory. It exists on Windows as well, it exists on macOS, it exists on Linux, so just go to your home directory and right here, create a new folder, and it will be .aws. It's the same folder for Windows and macOS. Click OK. Open the folder, and here create a file. It will be credentials. And please notice I removed the extension, so it is not txt, it is just credentials. Press OK. Open it. It's an empty file. I open square brackets. Inside the square brackets, I will paste the username of my user. It is Terraform tutorial. I copied it. Paste it here. Now I write AWS _ access key ID equals. Open the browser, copy the key, paste the key, new line, AWS secret access key. Again, open the browser, copy the secret key, paste it here, it's the key, save the file, and don't close it. You will need that stuff, the text, the string from the square brackets. Copy it, open your VS Code, and write profile equals, and in double quotes, paste the string which you copied from the credentials file. Close this file, you won't need it. Here I also want to add a modification. I will write default tags, curly brackets, creator equals Terraform. It means all the resources which I will create with my Terraform with this provider will get automatically the tags I listed here. Let's check the changes. I added the profile, I added default tags, add them to the stage, and write the commit message, set AWS profile, new line, locals, commit.